Hello guys, how are you today? Today we are talking about the life process of the human being or living and non-living organism. Say hi. Okay, today we will talk about the life process. First of all, we have to know we have two different types of living organisms. Number one, living thing or living organism. This is mean plant, animal, or human. That's why we call him living. Living, it means can live, can move, can survive, can eat, can drink. What about the other thing? The other thing is called non-living organism. What is called? Living organism. Okay. Let's back to the living organism. Living things can do all. Not some, but all. You know what is mean of all? Everything they will do it. Movement, all life process, such as, yes, example please. Okay, living thing can move. Okay, human can move, animal can move, and sometimes plant move. Means plant can move, yes, towards the sun. The leaves move towards the sun. Okay, this is called life process movement. So what is meant by movement? Movement. Another word, need water or food. What is this life process called? Nutrition. Nutrition, it means eating in English. In science, we call it nutrition. What is the meaning of nutrition? Getting food or water. The third one is grow. You know, you was a child and you was a baby, then a child, then adult. So this is one is called growth. Also the baby of the dog, it's called cubs. Cubs of the dog become a big dog. This is called the growth. We'll see a video about that after we finish this. Make waste. Yeah. When you go to the toilet or sweat, it means you bring out water from your body. You know what is sweat? Yes. It's called excretion. Excretions is mean that you get out of the wastes, like urine or stool. Get side of the wastes of your body. Okay? Like when you go to the toilet, when you have to get rid of your urine. This is mean wastes, excretion. And the fifth one, we need air to breathe. Need air to breathe. It's called respiration. It's mean in English, breathing. You know what is breathing? Take a breath in, take a breath out. Take a breath in, take a breath out. You take it from your nose. This is called respiration. And of course, when you are in the summer, you feel hot. And while you are in the winter, you feel cold. This is called sense. Sense, when you touch a hot cup of tea, you get a good burn. It's hot. How you can feel this? By life process called sensitivity. Feel sensitivity. And the last one is called what? Having babies, have a child. When you grow up and get married, you have little babies. When you do that, congratulations, you do one of the life process called reproduction. How can we summarize? Sum up all of this in a word. It's called Mr. Green, or green if you want. M for what? Movement. R for what? respiration. G for what? Growth. R for what again? Reproduction. E for what? Excretion. And of course, N for nutrition. Shall we say it again? MRGRN, we can call it Mr. Girl. M for movement, R respiration, G for growth, R for reproduction, E excretion, N for nutrients. Okay, let's move about this. This is another thing. A non-living organism, see, can do all or some of life process. No, James, it can only do some of life process. Life. Why? Like a car. Car can move, can eat, can make an excretions, can breathe. No, not all of this, right? It's only move. So it's a non-living organism. What about the fan? Fan can move, can breathe, can eat, can drink, can go to the toilet. No. So we call it non-living thing. Again, let's start with the first one of life process. And life process is called what? Nutrition. What it's called? What it's called?
Nutrition.
It's mean eat food to get energy and survive. Eat food, people actually eat food to get energy, get energy and survive. Survive, it's opposite of death. Survive, it's opposite of. We get energy from food. Okay. How plant eat and how human and animals eat. How plant eats. Plant can make their own food by itself. It's called the photosynthesis process. We will talk about it later. Okay, so plant can make food by itself. Of course, there is S here, and if we are talking about the single and the single noun, we will add S. This is called the present simple, guys. Okay, well, makes. Okay, sorry for that. Makes ES. Plant can mix food by itself. بيعمل أكل بنفسه عن طريق حاجة اسمها photosynthesis. We will talk about it later, and I will explain to you how the plant makes their own food. This is mean no one can make the food for him. No one can make the food for him. Only the plant can make the food for himself from the sun and the water. Okay? But human and the animal can make the food for himself. In the morning the man wake up and say, okay, today I will not eat, can make my own food. He can do that? No. He have to eat what? If the human, he have to eat what? Human eats what? Plant or animal, such as human can eat chicken, a cow meat. This is how he can eat what? Of course, it's cooking. A chicken, a fried chicken, a grilled or fried chicken. Okay, and the animal. Okay, this is the meat you are eating. Cow meat, lahma. Okay. About the animal, can eat other animal. Yeah, cat eat mice. Cats eat mice. Lions eat deer. Okay, animal eat another animal, or human or plant like a rabbit. Rabbit eat carrot. So he can make the food by himself? No, he has to eat something, right? He has to eat something. It has to eat something. Our human and the animals have to eat something in order not to death, to survive. In order to survive. Here we end our part of our session today. We will see you later. Say bye to my friends. Say bye.